Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So let's just get right into it. I'm doing a closet transformation. I wanted to add some shelves. So what I'm going to be doing first is taking down the existing pole and shelf that is in the closet. It's very simple. As you can see, we're just pulling down this compressed wood, took the pole out, and that's pretty much it. It's a very easy process. Once everything has been taken out of the closet, next you're going to want to frame. I'm using 2x4s to frame my pony wall. And what we did first was find the stud, because we're going to want to drill our nails for our pony wall into the studs. That way it's solid. So that is what you see right here, the 2x4s with a little bit of blocking. And we made sure we drilled into the 2x4 against the wall and the ceiling. That way it's solid. So now that our little pony wall has been framed, drywalled, and mudded, the mud is drying right now. We are determining where we're going to put the shelves. So I've measured 15 inches away from each other, and we're going to come out about 13 inches. So the next step is to make our support. This is what's going to go under the MDF. And I'm just going to be using, I believe they're 1/2 inch by 2 inch little strips of wood. So I'll show you what that looks like. So these are actually 1.5 by 1/2 inch. And this is what's gonna go underneath our cabinet shelves or wall shelves. So we measured the length of the closet, and that's what you can see. Those strips are from one end of the wall to the next end of the wall. We're using a brad nailer and 1-inch nails to install our supports. So I put a total of 7 shelves, I believe. And again, this is just pieces of wood that we're using as our support underneath our MDF shelves. You want to make sure you're using a leveler to make sure your shelves are level as well. And just install. Next, we are installing the sides of our support, again using the same wood. We cut these, I believe, 10 inches. We don't want these to come out the full length of the shelf, which is 13 inches. So I did give a 3-inch gap in between. So again, we're just installing these against the sides of our wall to create the support for our shelves. So here's when the project took a left turn.
I found some LED lights that I purchased from IKEA laying around the house, and I told Art that I wanted to add these. Well, we already installed our support, so we had to go back and cut little spaces in between the support to try and feed the lights through. So that's what you see us doing right now. Did not think that I was going to do this, so it did create a bit more work. It's not impossible. So if you want to include lights, make sure you leave the gap. So you could take down the support, cut the nails, and then cut the wood pieces, then reinstall. But we thought it would be a little bit faster if we just cut the wood and just make spaces for the lights to be fed through. So you can see we made spaces. So after we made the holes in our support, we installed our MDF shelves, and then we painted everything. We primed and painted everything. We did have to make holes in our shelves as well, so we just used a drill and drill bit and made holes. So that's what you're seeing here. I didn't think that we needed to film all that, but if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments and I will try and answer those questions for you. We do have a little reveal on the outside of the shelves, but now it is time to feed these lights through this hole. Now we had to MacGyver this. So we used some wire, we used some electrical tape, we used some blue tape, we taped the wire to the lights and fed it through. That was the easiest way that we could do it. And sometimes you just gotta MacGyver something to get the job done. After feeding the lights through the holes, we took the tape or the backing so we could tape the lights and stick them to the wall. That way they could stay in place.
All right, so the closet is finished. I put the doors back on. Again, this is Tricorn Black Sherwin-Williams paint. Purchased it from Lowe's. The walls are flat and the closet doors are semi-gloss. I also purchased these gold handles from Home Depot. Thought it was just a cool little added. It goes with all the colors. I didn't want to paint inside of the closet because I just thought that you weren't going to see it, so what's the use of it? Inside the closet, this is Snowbound White. It's a flat sheen. So as you can see, this is my little pony wall that I put in here to kind of just create some separation, but it's also acting as a way to hold up my pole, as you can see. So I shortened the pole. And then I put the shelf back up there. So I'll have storage room. And then on the other side, let's open up this side.
So my audio went out for some reason. I don't know, I might have been covering the speaker, but this is what the other side looks like. The shelves are in, the lights are in. It looks amazing. It's very nice and clean. I am in love. Just showing you the wood support pieces, and these are MDF shelves. It's just scrap MDF that I had in my garage that I used. And to turn the lights on, I have a little switch on the side of the closet so I can turn them on and off, but this is what it looks like. As you can see, we fed the lights through the hole. Looks amazing. Can't wait to fill it with all my stuff. I can probably have some stuff on display, but I just am so in love. I think it's just better use of space, and hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care.